Hi everyone, this is Alex Briefenstahl with Three-Legged Crow, and today we'll be unboxing a brand new drone, the Autel EVO 2. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Oh, anticipation! Alright, okay, this is what it looks like when you first get it open. There's our drone. Let's see what we have here. This is, what is this? Oh, this is the box the controller comes in. And this has a plug on it. You can't really see it, but I'm guessing that's the charger. And there's one more down in there. No little icons in here, but I feel paper sliding around, so I'm gonna guess it's extra props and instructions. Oh, mine's white. That's nice. Let's see. Connection cables, extra props, more connection cables, quick start guide, packing list, battery guide. But, oh, hold on. There's one more thing in there. I was about to say, it doesn't appear to be disclaimer and safety instructions. It doesn't really seem like it actually has full instructions. Most companies don't bother to print them up because they're dozens of pages long. They just direct you to get a PDF, which I'm guessing what's going to happen here. So we'll come back to all this accoutrements in a moment. Let's get down to the meat of it and look at our new drone. All right, so Autel Robotics EVO 2. First thoughts, it's a bit heavier than the Mavic 2 Pro with the battery inside of it. Let's see how it unfurls. Okay, so it's just a simple back and forth motion for both the top and the bottom. As you can see, it's got sensors everywhere. Literally every side, front, back, rear, bottom, lighting, sonic sensors as well. Okay, let's take all this junk off my props. Stick that all there. Okay. So, that's a pretty slick looking drone. Let's see what's going on with the battery. As you can see here, it's got a pair of tabs. Quick release. Now this is interesting. This weighs very little. I'm actually kind of surprised. The battery technology's come a long, long way from even 5 years ago, because this battery, by being about the same size as the Mavic 2 Pro, will keep this thing in the air under ideal conditions, like flying indoors with no wind, 40 minutes, probably 35 minutes realistically. Let's see here. Let's take off some of this plastic. Goodbye, plastic. You've done your job, but now we wish you to go. Ah, love that feeling. First take off the wrapping. Okay, well that's kind of weird. Okay, so this is, our memory port is not flush for some reason. Let's see here. Oh, hello. It's actually got a memory card in there. I don't believe that was supposed to come with that, so could be wrong. Huh, 32 gigabyte V30 U3. The minimum requirement for 4K 60 FPS. Alright, so we're going to set that over here. Let's see what's in our controller. Now, one of the things that I was really impressed about this is that this ground station, okay, according to Autel, has a range of up to 9 kilometers. And I can tell you that is quite a ways. There's no way that you could legally fly at 9 kilometers, because even if you could, there's no way a human eye unaided could see even this bright orange drone. It's just not realistic at all. But why that's important for me is because I do jobs inside of cities. and there's a lot of noise radio-wise in those cities. So having a really powerful transmission source to cut through all that is a huge plus. Let's see here. Charger. All right. So what we've got here is our drone, ground station, a battery, charger accoutrements, extra props, connection cables, unexpected bonus memory card. So the big thing here we're going to find out is it all worth it? This all costs $1,600 before tax. I had a colleague point out, why would you get this when you could get the Mavic Air 2, which is a very similar drone. It boasts a 35-minute flight time, a 48 megapixel camera, and it's only $800. Well, I had two answers for that. The first one was that did not do 8K. This will do 8K. It also has to be tested, and we'll find out for sure in another installment here. But it supposedly has a ×3 digital zoom, so you can take that 8K video and squeeze it down to 4K and have no distortion at all, which is great for inspection stuff. And guess what? I do inspections. The second reason, as I pointed out to the same colleague, was because I want to try other competitors and actually try to encourage competition, because DJI basically controls the vertical market for off-the-shelf drones. And it's the same reason I have owned and operate Unique, Parrot, and DJI, and now Autel, because I want to see what the capacities are for other drones and encourage that type of stuff. So for now, that's pretty much everything with the unboxing video. Hooray, hooray. And our next installment, I'll be going through some of its flight characteristics and other things that happen to pop up as I do some more exploration. This is Alex Briefenstahl with Three-Legged Crow signing off.